Here are 10 genius car gadgets that will make your life easier. Racebox. The Racebox Mini is a compact marvel designed to revolutionize your driving experience. With its versatile mounting options and seamless Bluetooth connectivity, setup is a breeze, ensuring you're on the road in no time. What sets this device apart is its precision, thanks to the 25 Hz GPS module, capturing every detail of your driving performance. Plus, with up to 20 hours of battery life, it ensures extended usage on your adventures. Whether you're tackling the track or exploring winding roads, the Racebox Mini enhances your journey with customizable track sessions and predictive analytics. This pocket-sized powerhouse doesn't just collect data, it provides valuable insights to optimize your performance behind the wheel. Overall, the Racebox Mini is a game-changer for driving enthusiasts, offering convenience, accuracy, and the ability to elevate your driving skills to new heights. Joytutus 3-in-1. The Joytutus multifunctional steering wheel desk is a versatile and affordable solution for individuals seeking convenience while on the go. Priced at just $30 on Amazon, this portable desk comes neatly packaged in a sturdy laptop bag with various compartments, enhancing its practicality. Its design allows it to fit securely onto a car steering wheel or seat back, transforming your vehicle into a mobile workspace. While best suited for light tasks rather than heavy-duty use, it proves to be invaluable for busy commuters, remote workers, or anyone with a hectic lifestyle. Offering unmatched portability and convenience, the Joytutus multifunctional steering wheel desk is a must-have accessory for enhancing productivity wherever you are. IQAir Atem Air Purifier. Discover the IQAir Atem, a powerful portable air purifier designed to improve air quality in various environments. Featuring a rechargeable battery, it offers unmatched flexibility and convenience, making it suitable for cars, desks, and travel. With its ability to effectively eliminate allergens and pollutants, the IQAir Atem ensures cleaner air wherever you are. The Bluetooth-enabled app provides seamless control, allowing users to adjust settings with ease. Equipped with a high-quality HEPA filter, it guarantees the removal of harmful particles from the air. The car kit includes flexible mounting options, ensuring convenient and safe usage while on the road. With its versatility and thoughtful design, the IQAir Atem is a must-have for those prioritizing better health. Consider integrating this innovative solution into your daily routine to experience the benefits of cleaner air wherever you go. WOLFBOX G840S Backup Mirror or Dash Cam. Meet the WOLFBOX G840S, our latest venture in enhancing rear visibility in a Class C RV. Unboxing reveals a comprehensive package, including the mirror, camera, power adapter, and GPS module. Installation begins seamlessly with secure strap attachment and cable connections. Initial testing impresses with swift startup and crisp image quality. Outdoor mounting, momentarily halted by rain, positions the rear camera strategically above existing backup infrastructure. Indoors, intuitive controls and wide-angle views delight. Cable tidying completes the polished setup. Overall, the WOLFBOX's easy installation and superior performance leave us eager for real-world testing. Car steering wheel food tray. Experience the convenience of the EcoNower steering wheel tray, a must-have accessory for anyone who eats or works on the go. This innovative tray effortlessly attaches to your steering wheel, providing a reliable platform for meals or laptop use. Featuring separate compartments for food and work essentials, including a cup holder and pen holder, it offers versatility for various tasks. Despite its sturdy construction, the tray is lightweight and easy to install, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. With its ability to support up to 2 kilograms of weight, it's perfect for quick meals or remote work sessions in your vehicle. Say goodbye to messy car meals and awkward laptop setups. The EcoNower steering wheel tray is here to simplify your on-the-go experience. Whether you're a field worker or a busy parent, this tray is a game changer for car convenience. Universal car tent. Discover the Landmoto car tent, a game-changing accessory that elevates car protection to new heights. This innovative solution offers unparalleled coverage, shielding your vehicle from rain, hail, falling debris, and even bird droppings. With its umbrella-like design, it spans the entire length and width of your car, providing comprehensive protection. Equipped with sturdy straps and a powerful suction cup, it stays securely in place, ensuring your vehicle remains dry and safeguarded. Setting up and collapsing the tent is a breeze, making it perfect for on-the-go use or outdoor adventures. Whether you're seeking shelter from the elements or adding a unique touch to your vehicle, the Land Moto Car Tent delivers unmatched convenience and functionality. Take your car protection to the next level with this versatile and innovative accessory. Experience peace of mind knowing your vehicle is always covered with the Land Moto Car Tent. Car Tissues Holder. Experience unparalleled convenience with the little mask dispenser from All-in-One Gaming. In today's world, where safety and hygiene are paramount, this compact yet ingenious accessory ensures you're always prepared. Unboxing reveals a sleek dispenser that's not just for tissues. It's your go-to for masks too. Ideal for your car, it's designed for easy attachment to your mirror flip-down thingy. Yes, the technical term. But its utility goes beyond mere attachment. Thoughtful flaps ensure secure placement while driving, so you can access masks or tissues with ease. Imagine the scenario. You pull up at the store and suddenly realize you forgot your mask. No need to panic. Just reach up and grab one from your trusty dispenser. It's like having a backup plan for your backup plan. Plus, it doubles as a tissue dispenser for those inevitable spills or sneezes. With its versatile functionality and stylish design, the little mask dispenser adds a touch of practicality to your daily routine. Don't let unexpected moments catch you off guard. Stay prepared and stay stylish with the little mask dispenser from All-in-One Gaming. It's the must-have accessory for every modern driver. Get yours now and experience the ultimate in on-the-go convenience. Car Visor Vanity Mirror. Introducing an innovative LED light mirror for your car. Perfect for those in the beauty industry or anyone who appreciates impeccable lighting on the go. This new addition boasts magnificent illumination, providing an exquisite ambience that's simply amazing. Its easy installation process involves unhooking the visor, sliding the light onto the clip, and securing it with Velcro straps. What sets this mirror apart is its versatility in lighting options. With adjustable brightness settings, including a dimmer option for personalized illumination, it ensures optimal visibility without any glare. Moreover, its convenient charging capability directly in the car adds practicality to its list of features. Additionally, the ability to dim the light by simply holding down the button adds another layer of user-friendly functionality. Overall, this LED light mirror is a must-have accessory, combining practicality with exceptional lighting performance, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking superior illumination while on the road. First secure 90-piece Auto Emergency Roadside Kit. The Defender Series 90-piece Emergency Roadside Kit is a comprehensive package designed to provide peace of mind for motorists. Priced at $59.95 on Amazon with Prime shipping, this kit offers a plethora of tools and accessories essential for handling roadside emergencies. The sturdy nylon carrying case houses an array of items including a 10 tons, 300 amperes jumper cable, a 250 pounds per square inch, air compressor, an 8-piece tire repair kit, and a 10,000-pound tow strap, among others. The kit also includes practical items such as bungee cords, zip ties, gloves, and a multi-tool for added versatility. The first aid kit, comprising various medical supplies, ensures preparedness for minor injuries. Despite the basic packaging, the contents are well organized within the case. The jumper cables feature heavy-duty construction, while the air compressor offers convenient inflation options for both car and bike tires. Additionally, the inclusion of safety essentials like a warning triangle enhances roadside visibility. Overall, the Defender Series kit provides a cost-effective solution for equipping vehicles with essential emergency tools, making it a worthy investment for any driver's safety preparedness. Car Rearview Mirror Wiper. For achieving impeccable cleanliness on car glass surfaces, a few essential tools are required: a scrubber or washcloth, a quality car squeegee, and lint-free detailing towels. The car squeegee should have a short width and a long, flexible rubber blade to contour to the glass's curvature. Starting with the windshield's exterior, lift up the wiper blades to ensure a thorough cleaning. Use a scrubber or washcloth soaked in water with a small amount of dish soap to clean the windshield, then squeegee horizontally, wiping the blade with each pass. Detail around the edges afterwards. For side door glass, which is curved vertically, adjust the squeegee technique using the corner to navigate the top and sides before squeegeeing vertically. The rear glass, typically curved horizontally like the windshield, should be squeeged side to side. Detailing around the edges is essential for a polished finish. Cleaning the inside of the windshield can be trickier due to oil buildup from dashboard plastics. Squeegee from side to side, then use a fresh detailing towel for areas unreachable by the squeegee, ensuring thorough cleaning and clarity. Inspecting the glass afterward reveals a crystal clear view, enhancing safety while driving.